Today, I'm going to show you guys how I like to clean my eyelash extensions. Before cleansing, I like to use micellar water with a cotton pad to thoroughly wipe down the entire eye area. And then I start wiping along the under eyes and across the eyelids to remove any natural oils of the skin or even skincare product residue. I use a soft brush and, of course, eyelash foam cleanser that's formulated for eyelash extension. So I just pump that cleanser onto my eye, then I use a brush and I start working vertically along my lash line in a downward swiping motion. And I also like to work horizontally across the lash line, giving a few swirls and then just continuing to work that cleanser in. And then I just repeat the same things on the other eye. Again, I'm just using gentle swiping motions to thoroughly work that lash cleanser across my lash line. I cleanse for about 20 seconds per eye. Okay, I know you can't see this part, but I'm just rinsing my face a few times with water. And then I just use a clean towel to wipe off my face and gently pat dry the lashes. Once it's all dried, I go ahead and give them a good brush from the top and from the bottom. It's actually pretty satisfying to do this after you've cleaned your lashes.